Right, I'm going to take out these sliding doors, hopefully, when I can find out how to do it. I know there's some screws up there holding this panel on here, and I need to get that off so I can get at these screws on the front. I'll show you. There's the little monkeys there. Nice and steady. Now, that came out to be easy, which makes me think that's not what's holding it up. Okay, it's a longer screw than I thought it was, so I want to focus, but with a bit of luck, that'll be it. Right, let's get the rest of them out. Well, I've taken all of the screws out, but I don't think that's what's holding that in. Maybe just masticed in or glued in. I'll give it a bit of a tug and see what happens. Right, that bit's just glued onto there, I can see. Oh, of course it won't come up. Of course that's stuck behind there. So I can't wiggle that bit. Oh, okay. I've managed to ease it off a bit, and you'll be able to see behind here. Well, I'll turn the camera around and show you. I'll be able to get at the brackets, and we might be able to get them off. So if I can get the screwdriver up on the top screw, I'm guessing the doors will just drop down and we can get rid of them and save all that weight and fuel and money. That's one of them off. Two of them off. All right. Let's see. I'm getting there. That's the first one off, so this is the other dart. Can you see? Save the screws. I'll do this side. This needs to come off further. Got a little rubber stopper on, stopping the door from going this way. So I'll get further along. Hopefully. Yeah, still can't get it in. Still can't get at it. Right. If I can pull this a little bit.
Snap. You don't want to snap it.
I don't want to snap it, you're right. That's why I'm being careful. Alright. Come on, Mr. Door. On this side. There you go. That's that door off. Just have to slide it along. You must put some clean clothes on sometime. And then this one as well.
There's none down below, is there?
Brenda nearly fell off. It's looking good. Et voila! We have it. And believe me, there's some weight in that, so think of all the money we're going to save that we can buy beer with. And there you go. We just need to glue this back up now, and I'll stick a screw in it or something. And these screws underneath there I took out. I don't even know what they were for. So I'll pop them back in, and if we ever need to put them back in, we can. Well, what I have noticed is I'm going to have to take these off.
Because they'll rattle.
They'll be rattling more.
We'll tie them up. Oh.
We'll do something with them. I don't. Well, they won't be rattling while we're in bed, will they?
No, no.
Okay, right. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, please. That would be jolly good indeed. Catch you next time. Ooh, look like I've got a twisty neck.